DJM TV.
Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala now be the next Director General of World Trade Organization. My better person wey know every how your side, hello, I greet you well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this video. This na DJM TV daily news update. That your ogbonge channel where they give you the better news them as they hot and as they share for inside our country Nigeria and all around the world. This matter where we carry concern. And one matter where we say don't dey for ground. And finally, the thing don't enter Nigeria and the sweet for belle. It concerns the position of Director General of the World Trade Organization. Una go remember say certain time last year, one woman from China and our sister Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, they do vote, so then I could be top, then I could get the highest vote, then God bless you, between two of them, then they could choose the Director General of World Trade Organization. The thing called they be like say they don't want to give our sister that they call say na one presido matter, now they cause the thing, now they delay the something. But last, our sister Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don't become the first woman, the first African, and even as a woman, to emerge as the Director General of World Trade Organization. As I talk this matter, swear, but let it sweet me well because one thing I know about Nigeria be saying, yes, so we know say our country, it get as it be, especially if you dey here, it could be like say your talent, not the show. But you get one thing they call resilience. Nigerians will get that thing. We need to give up, you understand? We dey determined. We don't want to make sure say anywhere we enter a better show for the matter. Give us the right environment. Give us the right tools. You understand? The right encouragement. You go see say Nigeria go dey shine bright like a diamond. In that song na now because Nigeria they sing that song in case you never know. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don't join the many Nigerians so be like say don't get top position for Obodo-Oyibo. Many Nigerians they come out for different positions. In fact, they give the different position for different country, for US, for Canada, Australia, different places there. Nigeria they shine bright like diamond. Now more talk small about our sister Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala they born her for 1954, and she come from Ogwashuku for Delta State. She be princess. She come from royal family. Her late father now be the king of our community before our elder brother could take over from her late father. She attend the Queen's School Enugu, St. Anne's School Ibadan, and International School Ibadan before she can travel for her teenage age, go America to continue her studies. You know that kind of matter. She get bachelor's degree in economics from Harvard University and she graduated for 1976. And she get PhD for regional economics and development from Massachusetts Institute of Technology. She get over 30 years experience as economist and international development chairman. Now about her personal life, she been married, happily married for more than 30-something years now. She get 4 children, and the name of her husband is Okonjo-Iweala. And she just recently become US citizen for 2019 after many years of working and studying there. Now, if you get one thing where you don't know, even though you don't know anything about her, this our sister Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, may you notice one thing about her be say she love her country to the extent say I never see her with any dress wey no be Ankara material. She like, oh, my father. Just look at the picture, you know they see her. She, in fact, her love for her country. The first way you know say this woman love her country now her dressing. You understand now? Now she be the first woman to become Minister of Finance 2 times for Nigeria. She also be Minister of Economy, although after her they could scrap that position. She also become a Minister of Foreign Affairs for this country, Nigeria. She be Anglophonics Global Public Leader for Harvard University Kennedy School. And she be Fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. Currently, she be the chairman of the Board of Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, Gavi, and also Africa Risk Capacity. This woman, she sabi well. She dey. She be the board member of Twitter and Shattered PLC. She also don write plenty books on anti-corruption, development, economics, and women in leadership. She be one of the Director General of the Bring Back Our Guests campaign. You remember that time? Bring Back Our Guests, you know that thing. She be one of the Director General of that team. And she don spend over 25 years for World Bank. From that 25 years of experience, so she could climb the ladder small. Till she could be the number 2 person for World Bank as the managing director. She don receive over 15 honorary degrees from different universities like Yale University, University of Pennsylvania, Brown University, Tel Aviv University, and Trinity College for Dublin. She don receive plenty ogbonge award. When I say plenty, I mean plenty ogbonge award dem. Some of the award wey she don receive na 50 greatest world leaders for 2015, one of the top 100 most influential people in the world for 2014, one of the top 100 global thinkers. She received this one for 2011 for 2012. One of the top 100 most powerful women in the world. This one na Forbes give her this award. They give her this award for 4 years. 5 years. 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. 4 years in a row, she win this position. One of the top 3 most powerful women in Africa. They give her this one. Forbes now give her this one for 2012. She be one of the top 150 most powerful women in the world. Newsweek now give her this one for 2011. And plenty, in fact, the award this woman get, they plenty. She get plenty things wey she dey do for am. In fact, plenty positions wey be say this our sister dey hold. They be like say anytime when they call her Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, guy her body dey sweet me. In case you know, nobody dey sweet me. She be recipient of the Nigerian's Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. She be CFRO. So next time you call her Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, CFRO. You understand that part? As I talk, she don't get plenty award. Now, this one they could give her, this position they give her, so as the Director General of the World Trade Organization, her tenure go start on the 1st of March 2021 and it go elapse on the 31st of August 2025. Now, some people they ask, what be World Trade Organization? What be their work? What they do with people? World Trade Organization, I be that body we get rules and regulation about trade between different countries. You understand? You don't say many countries they buy and sell among themselves, and they not get one body where they control them. So when they do what they like, they will just wake up and say they won't say one thing like that, one particular price. They be like say no, say the other, some other countries are not go fit afford that. So now World Trade Organization now they stand as the middleman. At the tissue economists. Now they stand as middleman. Economists are commerce now the tissue. Now they stand as middleman between the 2 countries there, or the different countries there, where they do their marketing, so that to make sure say wahala not dey. And all these countries where we say World Trade Organization, they regulate their marketing price and all of that. They be members of the organization. They not be members. They no fit coordinate them. And as members, so all of them go sit down, enter agreements on how they go to take they trade their markets. They go negotiate them. Say okay, now so we go to say, now so we go to say. After they don't negotiate finish, all of them of course sign the agreement. And as I signed that agreement, so it all dey binding on all of them. So they must obey the World Trade Organization. This World Trade Organization, WTO, they also dey help producers of goods and services, exporters and importers, so carry out their business for other countries. You understand? So not be only country by country. As long as you do international business, then World Trade Organization dey there to help you to regulate price, so make sure say everything goes really well. You understand the matter? Now, our sister don win that China woman. She don become the Director General of World Trade Organization. She talk and say for her Twitter, can say, but let's tweet her well, as they give her this position. She thank God say she thank God for this matter. Say the fit make her the Director General of World Trade Organization. Say as for her tenure, World Trade Organization go stand gidigba. No say as this COVID matter dey, many economy don go down. Say but by the grace of God, for her tenure, they will make sure say they revive the economies of the country and go take World Trade Organization back to a position despite the pandemic wey dey. Many people don come congratulate her. China don congratulate her, say congratulations, we don say you win, our sister. We dey hope say for your tenure, things go well as it's supposed to be. Also, the UK don congratulate her too. Say congratulations. Say your win na big win for Nigeria. The ogbonge governor of Delta State, Dr. Okonjo-Iweala, don come outside, don say congratulate her. Say as a daughter of the soil, a Delta for that matter, wey come for Ogwashuku, we congratulate you. Say you win this position. Say this win now win for both Delta State and Nigeria as a whole. Now, congratulations to Dr. Mrs. Okonjo-Iweala, Ngozi, CFRO. We congratulate you. We do hope say for your tenure, Nigeria will continue to shine bright like a diamond. You know the matter now. All right, my people, congratulations to her. Drop your congratulatory message and what do you dey expect say she go do for the comment section. This na still DJM TV daily news update. Abeg, if you never like and subscribe, please make you do so sharp now, so that quarrel no go dey for the ministry. You understand? Share this video, don't forget to share it. Tell people say last we don win. You know, say any Nigeria will win something, all of us on Nigeria now win. So tell them say Nigeria don become Director General of the World Trade Organization. In case you never subscribe, abeg subscribe. Make you touch that bell when near that subscribe on the bell. Anytime we drop new video, your bell go ring for your phone. New video don't come. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, for DJM TV. Me when they bring you this news, so my name na Laworo Favor, and they tell you say dey determined. One day you go achieve your goal.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.